How to make Google Form questionnaire. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So let's teach you here how you will be able to easily create your questionnaire. So first things first, visit docs.google.com/forms over here, or you could also check out the Google apps available here. So if you click this, you will be able to scroll down and see over here below forms. So over here we have our Google Forms. So there are different templates that you guys could check out, which could help you with saving time. But if you want to create your own form from scratch, you could click on blank form over here. And let's give you a very brief description of different parts. The first things first over here, you could title your form. So let's say this is for a survey. And you could even design this or even add a link to the specific text or different section. You could put here some descriptions about your survey. You could put some disclaimers and stuff like that. Over here, this is our main question section. You could add here different types of question. You have multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, checkboxes, drop down, and you could even upload your own photos. There's also linear scale options over here where you could put some 1 to 5. So this is great for rating. And there's also a lot of different options over here. So let's go with, let's say, short answer over here. For the short answer, so let's say 1 plus 1. People can put their answers over here and you can even put it as required. Although short answer is typically for specific answers only. So what we're going to do here also is we're going to add a response validation. So we want to have a questionnaire and of course be able to also have an option to create or make a quiz. So if you want a normal questionnaire, you don't need to enable the response validation. So this will just get answers from your users. But if you want to turn it into a quiz, you could also do the description validation and you could put here the specific answer option. You could also include some videos, some sections, images, and so on and so forth. And you could add as many answers to questions as you want with different types. After sending this, you could click on publish over here at the top right, which will give you a link, which is the publish form, which you could give to people for them to answer. And then you will be able to see the responses over here in the response section. And you can even link it to your sheet so that you will be able to manage and monitor all of the response in a Google Sheet. There's also some settings over here, as you can see, where you could make it a quiz and assign some points to different sections. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.